I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. Setting up notifications on the PNC app can help you stay updated on your finances. Here is a simple guide to get you started. Step 1. Open the PNC app. Launch the PNC app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once you're in the app, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 3. Select notifications. In the settings menu, find and select the notifications option. This is where you can customize what alerts you want to receive. Step 4. Customize your alerts. Choose the types of notifications you want, such as transaction alerts, bill reminders, or account updates. Make sure to toggle on the ones you find useful. Step 5. Save your changes. After customizing your notifications, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the screen to ensure your preferences are applied. Remember, if you don't see the notifications you expect, double-check your phone's notification settings to ensure the PNC app is allowed to send alerts. Happy banking!